Hey guys, Dangle Nerd here. It's just kind of early in the morning, and I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of demonstrating this little tool that I made. It's just a strip of kydex, and then I put a push pin through it when it was still kind of soft. And then I Gorilla Glued it down. And then the Gorilla Glue, as it was setting, it started to kind of form. It was kind of like running down the pin, and then it just kind of, I don't know, congealed at the end. And then I was trying to remove it, but then it was still viscous enough that it just, when I squeezed it, it just kind of formed into a flattened shape, and it wouldn't come off, so I decided to just leave it there. I think it kind of offers a little bit of protection, and then so you don't poke yourself and things like that. But yeah, this is for my airsoft magazine, because like, I don't know, I'm new to this airsoft thing, so like I have no idea what I'm doing, but you have to like dig your fingernail or thumbnail into this feeding of the feeder. I don't know even know what it's called. It's a spring. And then I don't have much, fingernails, because one of the side effects of my bone marrow transplant is that my nails are super thin and brittle, and if that's why they're so short, because like if you get any kind of length on them, they crack and split. So I keep them short, but it's been kind of a hassle to keep pulling this down, and then it's chipping at what's remaining of my thumbnail. But anyways, I did a search on the internet, and there's some different tools that I've seen. One is something similar to this. Some company, they 3D print these things, but basically same concept. This pin holds that little slot there, and then I just use that to hold it back, and then I can hold it open and then feed my, I don't even have the damn thing out, the plunger. There we go. It's hard to do this watching, but I don't know, this speed loader is seems kind of cheap to me. It'll probably break before too long, but it doesn't. Like all the BBs seem to get stuck at that juncture. Like, look at it, they're all. So what happened? Okay. Alright, still new to this, still figuring this out, but okay, anyways, so now you just release that. No, it's not, I don't know, how do you get it all without the little gaps? See, that's the problem right there. So I can just use that to pull that back. I don't know if you guys have any tips about how to load them so that there's no gaps in there. I don't know. I'd appreciate it. Anyhow, that's what I wanted to show you, is this little tool. It helps. It'll save my brittle thumbnails. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.